Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to set up Control D DNS on Android smartphone. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Control D is a customizable DNS service from Winscribe VPN. They provide free and public DNS servers. We can use this to block ads, malware, adult content, etc. on our devices. Today we will see how to do this on our Android smartphone. So to do this, we have to open a web browser on our desktop or mobile. Then go to controlD.com/free-DNS. We will get a page like this. Here we have to scroll down a bit. We will get this quick setup section. Here we have several categories or filters like malware, ads, family friendly, etc. We can select anything we want. For example, if I select family friendly, we will get a pop-up like this. Here we have to get this DNS over TLS values. We have to select this one. We can copy this. That's all. We can also do custom configurations here. If we want to do that, we just have to scroll down a bit. If we scroll down a bit, we will have this custom configuration section. So here we can select multiple filters, like we can merge ads and trackers, malware, phishing. So we can select all this and we can select the configure option here. And then now we can select this DNS over TLS value. That's all. So after copying and noting down this value, we can go to our settings. We are using the OnePlus smartphone right now, but the steps might vary a bit for other brand smartphones. So we have to go to settings, then go to mobile network. Here we have to go to the bottom, go to more settings, and here we will have the private DNS value. Or we can simply go to settings and search for private DNS. We will get this. Now here we can go to specified DNS and we can enter the copied value here and we can save it. That's all. Now it is saved here. So now whenever we use this Android smartphone to browse, this private DNS will start to work using the selected filters here. That's all. These are the steps to set up Control D DNS on Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.